Hey, buddy. Today, I'm the sister of, I'm the brother of Audrey. It's like the camera now. Wash, no, wash. Look, no, like wash. So I'm not really go. I'm not long. My sister just go get something. Yeah, that's like an egg. Do you know, guys? That's like an egg. That's like an egg. Audrey, you hear me? What you want to get? To get what? Oh my God. Audrey, where are you? Okay, my sister's not here. Hey guys. Oh, my sister's here. So you were silly? And all of look, it's all funny. My camera is like so dirty. It can't be dirty. Oh my God. Let's wash it. Like, I'm so dumb. Why am I using my fingers? My fingers are dirty. Let's use the rest of the water to put in the Kleenex. Last Christmas, I give you my heart. As the next day, you give it a camera. This year, my sister gave me a fidget spinner. And I never bought you a fidget spinner. So yeah, guys, I'm his sister. I'm taking over this place. We are going to be playing Quick Draw. We already started it brown because our video uploaded. My video. So yeah. Leave me alone. Stop it. Stop. I want to play. It's me. I'm playing. Call me a snake and you spell my name. Get away on me. Play again. Stop. Pool. Okay. A pool. I know it's a pool. So pool. Guys. He is only 7. So don't blame him. We don't draw good at all. He guessed it. High five. We are not good. So, don't judge him. Sorry, guys. But, yeah, don't judge him. Yes, you need to draw ant. Holy cow, how am I going to do that? Is that a necklace? Balloon? Yeah. I'm drawing an ant. It's an ant. Baseball bat. Okay, I thought so is what? Baseball bat. Okay, so is I think you have to play baseball. Right? No, I'm not. Come on, you can do better than that. Well, I actually think, bruh. What is your drawing? Don't judge him. A flag. Okay, I'm gonna draw a simple flag. I see. Look, I'm using it. Oh my God, it's a flag. Passport. Let's erase that. He's angry. Here you go. Now you can draw. Passport, guys. A hot dog. A hot dog. You need to draw hot dogs like this. I just moved my computer. Okay, a hot dog. Let me draw sideways like this. No, that's way too scary. So, baby, look. See, it's a dummy. It's a hot dog. Eat. Serious. Let's see how people draw ants.
Look,
That is not an ant. That either. What is this? That's like an alien ant. That's like an alien ant.
Look, this is like a ladybug.
What is this? God, that's a giraffe. Like, bruh.
Well, what this is? What this is? No, yeah,
That's just so awkward.
that's so
Let's
weird.
go baseball.
Do
bat.
this one.
Look, that's a bait.
A phone.
Well, I guess there's no baseball bats. Look, that's a baseball bat.
Not
Right
this.
here. No, that's a fish.
This is a
Long
push.
fish. That's a knife. That's a baseball bat. Okay, let's start with the drama. Let's stop with the drama.
Okay, this.
Let's look. That's a passport.
This is a.
That's a flippin' passport, and that too. It shows your picture. See, that's a passport. That's a book that says pass. So we can pass.
And with a cheese. Is that a cheese? Come on. Milk on me. Milk on me. And corn. Alien. This is going to be
Guys, that. I'm fine, guys.
a hot dog.
I won't die, I promise. It's just like.
That's nice. Is that not nice? That's so weird. Oh my god, this is too much.
I'm sorry, guys. That.
Try the flag. Check the flag.
Up here.
Up here.
A pair. I think that's what it says.
The camera needs.
No, it's Let's.
Or straight line. Oh, I know.
It's a mustache. You have to draw mustache. You're a bye, guys.
You guessed it. Hi, no, it's a mustache. The mustache. P. Well, guys, what the word is? PEN. GVI. And ow, 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 ow. Ok, c'est tantôt. Et il devinait.
A penguin.
A penguin. It's. Sorry, it's a mush. Ok, tantôt. C'est quoi?
Squiggle.
C'est quoi? Running?
Yeah.
Okay, c'est.
Let's see what it is. A spoon.
Spoon? Okay. A dry spoon.
Or triangle. Or volcano. I see that. Yes.
A spoon. A bucket.
Sorry, I couldn't.
What? A finish light. A finish light. Light?
A lighter.
A lighter. What is it?
Jesus, it's like, you know there when I'll go get it.
A lighter. A ladder. Lighter. 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 Light. Light. Lighter.
I'll do it.
Why?
So guys, I'm sorry, I just coughed a lot. I don't know why.
You do it.
Jeez, it's like something that's stuck.
Okay, I'm not looking.
It's so bad.
What's the marker? What is it?
That is a gun. Let's see.
Let's do this.
Let's see how you draw. It's not a penguin though. That's a penguin. That's a big one. That's a.
That's not a penguin.
That's a like birdie.
Yeah.
Oh, now it went out. It hurts though. I took morning quill. I took day quill. A swiggle is only a line like this.
Okay. I'm back. Hey, not like this.
Hey, that's not a
This is-
spoon. That's like a person. A spoon.
A marker. This is all a marker.
This. Oh, I went up too much.
Wait, I just see a circle.
See, that's a spoon.
Wait.
Whatever.
That's not a spoon.
Lighter. Okay.
Oh, this is a. Oh,
Hmm.
this later.
Look, that's a lighter right there. Right there.
Like we need to press to the button. Now the fire goes.
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, it's a fire stuff.
Guys, this is it for this video.
Make sure you subscribe
Subscribe, like you said.
and below the video.
Like and
Like it.
comment.
Comment the button below.
Comment if you're good at drawing. Comment if you're good at drawing. And I still need an intro, but I got my 2 fan names. I'll ask you guys my 2 fan names, and you guys will write them in the description link below.
Yeah.
Or if there's no one who writes in the description link below, I will do a draw, and we will see my fan.
No, don't do this. It's more ideas.
So I have 2. My real name is Audrey, by the way. First one is Audreysters, or second one is Audresters. So yeah, and I got my intro. I think I got it. Yo, what's up? And then my fan name. It's me back again with another video, and today I will be playing. So that's my intro, and I think my outro will be. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to like. If you didn't like it, make sure to like.
If you're not like it, you need have.
So yeah, guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.